Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how to install PromptFlow from Visual Studio Code. First of all, you need to download Visual Studio Code from the website and then install it. Then, you need to install Python 3.9. Go to the Python website and download it. Let's start. Open Visual Studio Code. Go to Extensions, and search for the word PromptFlow and click Install. Then a menu will appear on the left. Click on it, and a menu will open. Now let's create a Python environment, venv. Click on Install Dependencies, then click Select Python Interpreter. And select Create New Environment, then venv. Select Python version 3.9. Click on it, and it will automatically create the environment. After it's done, let's install some Python packages. We skip the first step because I don't use conda but venv. In step 2, click Run, and it will automatically install the necessary packages. Do the same for the subsequent steps until all the packages are installed. Once the packages are installed, let's create a PromptFlow project. Click New Flow, select Chat Flow with Template. Choose where to save the project, give the project a name, and press Enter. Refresh, and you will see the project. There are two parts. One is evaluation, and the other is the project we are interested in. We will look at evaluation in another video to see how to set it up. Click Open. If there are errors, try refreshing. Then click Run on the project. First enter a text in the input. Like I entered hello, and in the end, by running, PromptFlow will print an output text. That's it for this video. Please support me with a follow to carry on this project. Thanks for being with me. See you next time.